Welcome to Traitfit, smarter hiring and talent development made genuinely simple. Build role-specific psychometric assessments in a few clicks. Choose the type, role, industry, and department, and it tailors itself to you. Hundreds of scientifically validated assessments. Any role, any industry? No coding, no complex setup, no onboarding marathon. Assigned to one candidate or thousands. Track their progress in real time. AI-driven personalized psychometric insights. Ready the moment they finish? Compare candidates side by side. Benchmark your team against any role. Reports that tell you who fits and why. No subscriptions, no onboarding costs. Pay as you go. Set up in minutes. Hire and develop talent on evidence from day one.